Crypto Kids, Bitcoin hit $90,700, but please don't get trapped because we have the final Cme Gap of 2025 that is currently in effect, and that gap is at $88,180. Cme Gaps will soon be eradicated in the year of 2026, but this particular one got opened in the 31st of December of 2025. So in my opinion, it is still pretty valid. And I want to break down to you what I see on the charts, where I think we can go to. So stick around until the end of this video. We will do a 2026 Bitcoin outlook video, but I wanted to alert you on this short-term TA first. Guys, my name is Crypto Kid. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do so for daily Bitcoin update videos. And if you want to take advantage of New Year gifts, we have the New Year draw that is taking place over on weeks, ending in 2 days and 23 hours time. If you have a Weeks account with the CryptoKid link, or if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up with the first link in the description down below. If you have an account, just press register now, deposit 100 USDT, and you will get 2 spin the wheels, of which you can potentially win a 0.01 Bitcoin gift, currently worth $90,000, 0.1 Ethereum, iPhone 17 Pro Max, etc., etc. If you win anything, and you will win something, let me know in the comments what you guys have won. This offer is only valid for 2 days, 23 hours. It is our gift from us to you for the brand new 2026 year. Let's jump into the Bitcoin price action and break down my expectations. I want to take a step back and actually, I think the symmetrical triangle is semi-valid. We broke out of it in a consolidation, so I don't think it is as legitimate as before, but it was only by two daily candles, so somehow we can still categorize it. I'm not a big fan of it anymore per se. I'm more so looking at the inverse head and shoulder instead of a symmetrical triangle, and we are currently breaking to upwards levels. I think we will fill that CME gap. I'm not trading patterns anymore for this daily picture, just because we've consolidated for too long. So here is what I'm personally looking at. I'm looking at the volume from the ranges between December, November of 2024, all the way up until now. And I want to visualize where is most of the demand sitting for Bitcoin. It's currently sitting at $96,300. We know that there is tremendous amount of resistance from the EMA ribbons right above us, okay? It's not going to be easy to get up and go into the 200 daily moving average, which I need to now adjust because I started looking at the 2 day as well. I think it's pretty cool. It's going to be the 100-day moving average since we are on the 2-day time frame. That's sitting at 106.7, very close to the value area high, another good level of resistance for Bitcoin in terms of volume. So I still believe that 91.8 is a good level. We need to breach above, at least with one daily candle closure, to head higher into the 200 daily moving average. But that level can be up to 96.4K to solidify that, yes, okay, we are seeing a profound reversal that will also be breaking the neckline of a potential W bottom that you can identify here on the 2 day. It'll also be breaking above the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder with extra confirmation. So I think 91.8 is a good start, but I would really be looking for 96.3 to say, all right, we will go into 106.7. The trading setup that I'm taking is simple. I'm shorting between 99.5 all the way into the 200 daily moving average, and that is about it. The worst case scenario would be if Bitcoin, and it is a probable one, is if Bitcoin breaks below $84,200 when we zoom out into the macro. At $82,400 here on the daily time frame, you will notice when we extend the chart back into early 2024, when we drop below $82,400, $500, you fall into a black hole in the volume profile. This range here is where there is very little buying and selling activity. If you lose the support on volume, it's very likely you will come down to the next support at 71.6, identified by the amount of buyers and sellers. 71.5, great. It was the March 2024 high. It would provide us with great support. It would also take liquidity from the April 2024 lows and establish a macro lower low, which would make sense given the timing we are in the market, which is transition from bull into bear market phase. So keep these two in mind. All I'm doing trading wise is shorting Bitcoin 99.5 to 106.7. If it changes, if we lose below this line of support, then I may consider opening a short way earlier on just to capitalize on that potential move from 82 all the way into the 71 region. So keep staying tuned here on this channel. Look out for the Cme Gap. I think this will get filled quicker rather than later. And that will, I think, happen over the course of this week. So just keep your eyes on for that. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you all on the next updates very soon. Take care, guys. And as always, bye-bye.